Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone 13 mini, Pro, and Max. It works on all four devices, sorry. Let's waste no more time and get right into the video. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is make sure your volume button up, down, and lock button completely work. So the first thing you're going to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. You're going to continue to hold the lock button until your phone turns on and until you see the Apple logo, then you can release. You can now release. If you guys need any help on any other videos, shoot a comment down below or message me on Instagram. I'm always willing to help anybody out. And there you guys go. Alright guys, we made it to the end of the video. I hope this video has helped you guys out. If it did help you guys out, make sure you leave a like, comment. You guys already know what to do. And also share the video with anyone that needs help as well. Like you guys do know, we do have a goal reaching 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And the only way I'm going to reach that goal is if you guys subscribe to the channel. So I'd love for you guys to do that. It's been Frenchie. That's all. Roll the outro.